Hey, what's up everybody? This is Kalen from White Glove Models. Today we are going to be unboxing packs 1 and 2 of the Ghostbusters Ecto-1 by Eaglemoss. Here it is, the package from Eaglemoss for the Ecto-1. This is pack 1. Let's go ahead and get this opened up here. So this is everything that was in the box. We're going to go ahead and set this off to the side for now. And take a look at that grille and the headlight assemblies. Don't they look amazing? I don't know how well you can see it on that camera there. And looks like everything is in there. You have your screws and different parts. So we'll set that to the side. Wow, and look at this magnet. This magnet was a special option that I got with my pack, and I am so glad that I got it. I thought it was just going to be a little, dinky sticker, but this thing is huge. This is awesome. I have no idea where I'm going to put it. My wife probably will not let me put it anywhere out inside the house or anything like that. Here's another little sticker. I'm not sure where that one goes. And then you've got the hood here. So the hood vents that come with this kit, they're not the best. And the screws stick out of the hood and you can see them. I will be most likely getting a modified version of the hood vents from Mike Lane Mods. And somebody is supposedly making a more realistic license plate for this. So when that comes out, we'll probably be putting that on as well. But this thing is massive. Can you see the size of that? I am so excited to start building this. This car, you can already see the size that this vehicle is going to be. It's just going to be such a fun build. It's not even going to fit on my table. So let's take a look at the magazine here. I'll turn this way so you guys can see it a little better. Here's a list of all the parts that came with this pack. And the instructions right here. So here you're going to be starting out with the headlights and the grille. And moving on to more of the headlight work there. I'm not sure if you do any electrics in this phase. I didn't see any electrics come with this, so those might be in the next issue. More information on the filming and the movie itself. That's really cool. And you get to see what's coming in your next kit. So in pack 2, we'll be getting all these other parts. It looks like you're going to start work on the engine. So also in this pack, we got the Build the Ghostbusters Ecto-1, the introduction. Looks just more, see if you guys can see that. More information on the model itself and all the features that are going to be on it and the wonderful detail that they have. The windows will go up and down. So here's a little bit more information, and then you have the parts and the finished build right there. And on the back, a cool picture of the Ecto-1, the completed model. In this pack, we also, looks like we got another poster. And as you guys know, I am not a big fan of folded posters. I feel if you're spending any sort of money on any type of model or build and it comes with a poster, it should be rolled up really nice and mailed to you in a tube. But this is what we get. It is the actual length of the model itself, 31.5 inches or 80 centimeters. That is massive. Can you even see it on the screen there? That covers up almost the entire screen. But I cannot wait to get started on this. A lot of beautiful detail in this kit. Not sure where I'm going to put it yet when it's finished, but there you go. This is the back side of the poster. So we will fold this up, get it out of the way. And here is the instruction booklet for issue 1, which is the hood and some of the features on the hood. So we'll flip through this real quick so you guys can see it. There's installing the hood vents, which we will be changing later on to a mod by Mike Lane Mods. And then you've got information on Dan Aykroyd and the original Ghostbuster, as well as some more information on the film. So if you haven't gone back and watched the movies, which I haven't done yet, I'd really like to go back and watch them. This is your parts and your completed grill there. And on the back, it's everything that came in this kit. Here we have pack 2 of the Eaglemoss Ecto-1. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. Lots and lots of cool stuff that came with this pack. Put this over here. So we have another tire. These tires are ginormous. Lots and lots of detail in them as well. I'll show you guys there on that camera. Looks like we got a few extra treats in this package too. And then here we have parts for the engine itself. More chrome, lots and lots of chrome on this model. Something I personally was thinking about doing was repainting all of the chrome parts and re-chroming them to make them look a little more realistic. To me, plasticky chrome, it never really looks quite right. So we'll see, we'll explore that. I'm going to try a few different things. And then here you have more of the transmission housing, and looks like an oil pan there. Lots and lots of really cool parts in this pack. And then this is just a binder, and what the binder does is it allows you to place all of your magazines that come with it in here as you're building. So by the end of it, you'll have everything in a nice neat binder. I don't think I'm going to keep it. To be honest, I don't have room in my house, and to me it's not something really worth keeping. So what I've been thinking about doing is, after I'm done building the vehicle, I might have all of these binders put together and do a huge giveaway on the channel. If you're interested in the magazines and the binders and would like to be part of a drawing or something like that, just leave a comment in the subscription or email me. So put this off to the side. And now we have the magazine for this issue, issue 3. Got all of your contents there, the parts that come in this stage 3, 4, 5, and 6, I believe. There you go, all of the parts there. And your instructions right here. Looks like you're going to be finishing up some of the bumper, attaching that to the grill piece that we worked on. Another tire and wheel, and your transmission. The transmission detail on this is really, really nice. There are a few things that might get painted along the way. You might see me painting them. Just depends on what I feel like doing at the time. Here's some more information on Slimer and the movies. And on the back again, you have the parts that arrived with pack 2, which is issue 3 of the series. Wow, pack 1 and pack 2 were loaded with all kinds of fun goodies, including the beautifully detailed parts. And I still can't get over this. I mean, this magnet, it's the size of my head. It's huge. And that was included in pack 2, I believe. So can't wait to get started on this build. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked what you saw, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And if you would like to help support the channel by becoming a patron, please do. Thank you so much. Take care.